I am Dhiraj Madan. I head corporate IT at Plaspac Public Company Limited. So our company is into rigid plastic manufacturing, where we produce bottles, caps, which are used in various segments, be it beverages, be it pharma, be it your home care. And our company was established in 1983, headquartered in Bangkok, Thailand. It went public in 2005, and then it shared hands with different companies. So a big Indian company or the family, they acquired this Plaspac Public Company Limited back in 2015. Since then, they have been into an acquisition spree. Now we have presence in more than 5 different countries with 17 odd manufacturing plants, and we have more than 3,000 of workforce in all different regions, and over around 6.8 to $7 billion, not 7 billion Thai baht in revenues on an yearly basis. We were looking for a platform which serves not only our customers better, but also converts our process into a product. We have evaluated Salesforce, we had evaluated HubSpot, we had evaluated Microsoft Dynamics, and we were using in 1 or 2 geographies, we were using MS Dynamics also, but that was a standalone project or standalone module with few users or with limited scope of usage, but not being used at a corporate or central level. But then now Zoho Projects coming in, and we using entire stack of product, from Zoho. It becomes much more easier for us, not only for my R&D team or new product development team, but to other teams also, to see the progress, not only from a CRM perspective, but also from projects perspective. Now, when we start a project, it's not that an inquiry has come in and we'll straight away start a project. There are different prerequisites to it. My one inquiry can lead into 3 or 4 different projects. 3 or 4 different projects can have your multiple manufacturing tech coming into it. So if you see the complexity, one lead, 4 different inquiries or 4 different projects, or say my FRD, we call it a functional requirement design, and each of this functional requirement design should be mapped to my 5 or 6 different projects. So that was the complexity we were trying to solve, and we were living with it manually, doing all these things manually. With Zoho CRM Plus and projects coming in, we thought that yes, this is a suite where projects was our major concern, how we could solve our existing problems, also integrated to our product called CRM. That was a separate part. But our major problem solving point was how to get it at a single platform, plus with a different techs, different manufacturing techs, how we can build it into a single product. Now, this new product development, it can be completed from a 7 days. One project can take 7 days. Another project can take maybe 2 months or 3 months to get completed, based on its complexity and based on its manufacturing technology. This is where Zoho Projects was very flexible. We could build 5 or 10 different templates based on manufacturing tech. If I have to give a quote to a customer, it flows in from my CRM. It goes into my projects. A smaller project template gets selected. There are few action points, or there are a few workflows which get triggered once a particular milestone, going deeper into the details. A particular milestone within the project gets completed. It triggers back the information to my CRM, and then a quote automatically gets. So this is how I'm leveraging, or my company is leveraging on Zoho Projects, and at the same time we are able to seamlessly give a quote to a customer. The entire life cycle of a project ranges from 7 days to 30 days. Most of their projects range from say 7 days to 20 days, which has very less lead time to get completed. With Zoho Projects, it gives us more flexibility to create few templates based on users or technology selected, and then working on these projects, creating the tasks, subtasks, and assigning it to different users, and also viewing or notifying these to different stakeholders who are involved in the for my senior management sitting in, say, corporate office or head office. It also gives them visibility from a single source wherein they can track the progress of a project, be it how complicated it is. Now, also, adding to it, it was such a simple thing for an end user or a project manager to simply drag, slice and dice, the timelines of this project. There are multiple options when you see in the Zoho Projects. You go in, you go to a Gantt chart, and just drag and slightly move the endpoint of a task. The entire timeline gets accordingly stretched out. Yes. So this entire platform gave us an opportunity and ways to collaborate with each other and work more efficiently. And this entire time frame of this project kickoff to project finish or ending of a project, this has reduced and short. Privacy was our and security was our prime focus on selecting any of the products. And in this terms, we were rest assured, and we are rest assured that all our data, all our platforms, or all our projects, or be it whatever data it is, be it your lead, be it your customers, be it your inquiries or orders, that is well secured with end-to-end encryption. Until now, we have been using this products for almost more than a quarter now. What I could see is the engagement with different cross-component teams have reduced as far as by 30 or 40% as of now, which will again increase as we adopt this a product as it gets implemented throughout our group. And this is a steep curve for us to travel, and this will continue to increase these numbers or these changes which I'm saying right now to 50%. These would I suspect these would further increase as we adopt and implement it across the